Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I greet you according to your time. Welcome to Cooking with Herbs. Today I'm going to be making chicken wings. Guys, you know what, I've been craving for chicken wings for some days now. So I decided to just make this. Let's get started. Some paprika, some curry powder, garlic seasoning, mix it all up and ensure all the ingredients is combined to the chicken. Once that is done, I add my corn flour just to give it a bit of crunch, and then add dark soy sauce. Guys, this dark soy sauce is everything to this chicken. It takes your chicken to another level. And then cover this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I just went ahead and fried this chicken on the low heat. Ensure you fry your chicken in a low heat so your chicken will be properly cooked. Look at that, guys. This chicken is looking nice. And at this point, guys, my kitchen smells heavily. The chicken is ready. I'm just going to set it aside. And I'm going to repeat the same process. Look at that, guys. Like I said, I've been craving for these chicken wings, and this chicken wings is looking so good and looking delicious. Guys, there is no much to this video. Please do not forget to follow, like and share, and subscribe to Cooking with Herbs on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Thank you guys always for watching and sharing my